Smoked queso on the Kamado Joe Big Joe 3, one of the easiest appetizer recipes you'll ever do. Stick around and we'll get into all the details. Hey team, it's Scott from Bartlow's Barbecue, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel as we grow together, share ideas together. Super grateful for those that watch the channel. So let's set up our KJ today. We're gonna be using Big Block from Kamado Joe. That's lump charcoal. We're gonna be using 1 wood chunk. This is Jealous Devil. This is cherry infused. They just rolled out their whole series called Block, so you might want to check that out. It's cherry, and that's what we're going to do. And we're going to be using the Grill Blazer grill torch to light this thing up. It lights your charcoal in under 60 seconds. So we're going to be using the SloRoller, but you can use a heat deflector no matter what your setup might be. And so let's go ahead and get this lit up, and then we'll walk you through our next steps. All right team, we've reached 350 degrees, our goal temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and drop in our wood chunk and get it right in there. I wanna make sure it combust, show you what that looks like. Well, it might be hard to see in this lighting, but we've got combustion right there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add the SloRoller top and the grill grates. Well, hey team, as you can see, we've hit our 350 on the grill. I've already added the cast iron skillet to it to allow it to come up to speed together. Now we're gonna brown our ground beef, and this is 1 pound of ground beef from E3, amazing company and just great beef products. Definitely check them out. I've really been enjoying them. And so that's our first step in making the smoked queso, is getting some brown ground beef going. You can use chorizo, whatever kind of protein you want to use. So we're going to do that now, season it just a little bit with some barbecue rub. And then once we get this browned, I'll show you quickly all the other ingredients that we'll toss in here and show you the next steps. Hey team, it's time to show you all the ingredients that we're gonna throw into the smoked queso skillet here. And we got the big block of velveeta, chopped up cream cheese. We got pepper jack cubes, Colby Jack cubes, smoked Gouda, some chopped jalapeños. We're gonna use a 1/2 quart of half and half. This Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies, and then just a little of cream cheese or a cream of mushroom soup. And if you haven't seen my mac and cheese video, I use cream of mushroom, and it's a great little ingredient. And you should check out that video here. So all we're gonna do is take all of this, dump it into the skillet with the ground beef, and then let it smoke for 45 minutes or so. And then we're going to stir it probably 3 times. So I'll see you over at the grill as we dump the remaining of these ingredients, and I'll put all of these ingredients in the description below. All right, friends, we have finished this smoked queso. It's been going for 45 minutes. Let's take a peek, and then we're gonna garnish it and do a final taste test. The aroma of the smoked cheese is amazing. I hope you have smell-o-vision because It looks incredible. It's bubbly. It's got that just beautiful look to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little stir, one more stir. And just to show you, when it's super liquidy, it's okay. When it's super liquidy, just like this, we have a good indication that we are done. All right, friends, we have finished up that smoked queso. In summary, 45 minutes of cooking. We ground that beef up front with the cast iron and then loaded all the remaining ingredients, stirred it 3 times, and we are ready to go. I have all the ingredients in the descriptions, and we cut back a few of the ingredients so that you don't have to top it off like I did, but if you don't mind that and filling it to the top, then you're all good. So we are going to do a little taste test. We got a good scoop here, tell you what we think. Oh yeah. Okay, I love that. I just got a good bite of that E3 protein ground beef, the smoky flavor of all those cheeses that come together. I particularly like the Gouda and the pepper jack cheese complementing each other in addition to the Velveeta. And then we topped it off at the very end with some cilantro, chopped up jalapeños, and some chopped up tomatoes to kind of make it that finishing garnish. That was delicious, smoky flavor, super easy appetizer for any time of the year. It's really hot here in Oklahoma, so if I'm sweating, it's not the queso, it's just the hot summer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as we learned together, I hope that was helpful to you. If you're new to Kamado Joe, a super easy appetizer to do any time of the year. Put in the comments, let me know what you thought of this cook. If there's certain ingredients you like when you make smoked queso, let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification buttons. You know exactly what to do. So from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.